Hidden beneath the Himalayan mountains lies one of Earth's oldest natural salt treasures. Today, every extraction zone is inspected before mining begins. Only the purest pink salt layers are selected.
Mining is performed carefully to preserve the natural crystal structure. Controlled extraction reduces unnecessary breakage.
Each crystal block is separated with controlled hydraulic force.
Pull it back now!
The goal is to keep every boulder.
Heavy mining loaders transport the freshly extracted salt. Every movement is carefully controlled for safety. The underground conveyor carries the salt toward daylight. Continuous transport keeps production moving efficiently.
Hundreds of meters beneath the mountain, the journey continues. The conveyor safely delivers every crystal block.
Freshly mined salt now reaches the surface. Each crystal block is checked before shipment. The mined salt is now ready for its long road journey. Balanced loading ensures safe transportation.
After a long mountain journey, the raw pink salt reaches the Process Empire factory. Every shipment must pass strict security and documentation checks. Each delivery is digitally verified before entering production. Quality control begins long before processing starts.
The approved shipment enters the processing facility. Now the transformation from raw rock to premium salt begins. Safety procedures are followed before unloading begins. Every truck is securely positioned to prevent movement. Heavy equipment carefully unloads every crystal block. Proper handling prevents unnecessary damage.
The raw salt enters the first stage of factory processing. Dust control systems maintain a clean production environment. The vibrating feeder regulates material flow. This ensures efficient and continuous crushing. The jaw crusher reduces massive salt rocks into manageable pieces. This prepares the material for further refinement.
Magnetic separation removes unwanted metal contaminants. Only clean salt continues through the production line.
The second crushing stage creates evenly sized salt crystals. Uniform particles improve washing and final processing. The crushed salt enters its first deep cleaning stage. High-pressure water removes dust while preserving the natural crystals.
Excess water is removed immediately after washing. This prepares the salt for drying.
Warm filtered air dries every crystal evenly. Moisture is removed without affecting natural minerals.
Cooling stabilizes the salt before milling begins. Controlled temperatures maintain crystal quality. Every batch is visually inspected before grinding. Only premium quality crystals continue. The first milling stage reduces the crystals into smaller granules. Powerful rotating hammers perform controlled crushing. The second milling stage creates an ultra-fine texture. Particle size is precisely controlled. Sieving ensures every grain meets the required size. Oversized particles are automatically recycled. Advanced inspection systems verify product safety. Every batch is checked before packaging. The finished salt is safely stored in hygienic stainless steel silos. The next stage transforms it into premium Process Empire products.
The purified Himalayan pink salt now enters the automated packaging line. Every gram is measured with precision.
Every container is cleaned and aligned before filling.
Juice Spec 2.
Only hygienic bottles enter production. Precision filling ensures every bottle contains the exact weight. Laser sensors verify every fill. Each bottle is securely sealed for freshness. Automatic torque control guarantees leak-proof packaging. The iconic Process Empire label is applied with perfect alignment. Vision cameras inspect every bottle. Every bottle receives a unique production code. Complete traceability ensures product safety.
Advanced cameras inspect every finished bottle. Only perfect products continue. Bottles are grouped into retail-ready bundles. Protective wrapping keeps them secure.
Heat shrinking creates strong retail packaging. Each bundle is protected for transport. Finished bottle packs are packed into branded shipping cartons. The products are now ready for final sealing and warehouse storage.
Production now shifts to premium stand-up pouches. Every pouch is automatically positioned for precise filling.
Each pouch receives an exact measured quantity of Himalayan pink salt. Computer-controlled filling guarantees consistent weight. Heat sealing locks in freshness and protects product quality. Every seal is strong, clean, and leak-proof.
Each package is tested for a perfect airtight seal. Only flawless pouches continue to the next stage.
Every pouch receives a unique production identity. Complete traceability is maintained from factory to customer. Artificial intelligence performs the final packaging inspection. Only premium quality products receive approval. Approved pouches are organized into retail-ready bundles. Protective wrapping prepares them for shipping.
Heat shrinking strengthens the retail packaging. Every bundle is secured for transport.
Finished pouches are packed into strong shipping cartons. Each carton is prepared for worldwide distribution. Every carton is sealed and labeled for shipment. The premium Himalayan pink salt is now ready for warehouse storage. Finished cartons enter the automated warehouse. Robotic palletizers stack every carton with perfect accuracy. Laser guidance keeps every pallet perfectly aligned. This ensures safe transportation and storage.
Stretch wrapping secures every carton for transport. Strong wrapping prevents movement during shipping.
Every pallet receives a unique shipping identity. Digital tracking follows it from factory to customer. Electric forklifts move finished products safely. Every pallet is stored according to its shipping schedule. The warehouse management system records every pallet location. Inventory remains organized for fast dispatch. A new customer order activates the shipping process. The warehouse prepares the required pallets. The correct pallet is retrieved for dispatch. Barcode verification eliminates shipping errors.
Finished products are carefully loaded for delivery. Every shipment is secured before departure.
Stringence. After careful processing and inspection, the premium Himalayan pink salt begins its journey to customers worldwide. From premium Himalayan pink salt now begins its nationwide journey. Every shipment is transported under strict safety standards. The shipment reaches the regional distribution center. Products are unloaded for nationwide delivery. Each pallet is digitally scanned upon arrival. Inventory updates instantly for efficient distribution. Smart automation sorts every order with precision. Each retailer receives the correct products. After careful manufacturing, the products reach retail stores. Now they are ready for customers. The premium packaging highlights the product's natural beauty. Every bottle and pouch is ready for customers. Customers choose premium Himalayan pink salt for everyday cooking. Quality begins with careful manufacturing. Natural Himalayan pink salt enhances flavor and presentation. From the mountains to your kitchen. From ancient Himalayan mountains to premium Process Empire packaging, every crystal follows a journey of precision, purity, and quality. Every Process Empire product reflects nature's beauty and careful craftsmanship. Premium quality begins at the source. Every crystal follows a remarkable journey from mountain to marketplace. Technology and craftsmanship work together at every stage. Pure, natural, carefully crafted. Process Empire, Himalayan pink salt. From ancient Himalayan rock to premium packaged perfection, every step is driven by quality and precision. Thank you for watching the complete journey of Process Empire Himalayan pink salt. From ancient mountains to your table, crafted with care, purity, and precision.